Plan ko sana is coffee shop with my partner. Tingin mo ba okay pa yun siya na business? For me, the answer is it depends. Ang napansin lang rin kasi namin sa coffee shops dito sa Pilipinas, hindi naman lahat, pero most of the time, maganda yung aesthetics ng place. But when you taste the coffee, hindi naman siya ganun ka-sarap, hindi rin siya ganun ka-quality. So it would be highly beneficial if you have both. Maganda yung area mo, Instagram-worthy siya, people can take pictures so that mas ma-entice sila to post it on their social media channel so that people will know more about your place. At the same time, your coffee is also good. Sometimes people go to your coffee shop because they want to work there. Maganda rin dapat yung internet mo kasi that's one of the reasons why people go to the coffee shop para makapag-work sila. And one last thing that you have to know is that yung success ng coffee shop mo ay hindi nakasalalay sa coffee shop mismo. Nakasalalay yan siya sa'yo as a negosyante. Kung magaling ka talaga na negosyante, then you will find a way for your coffee shop to succeed. So consider your product, your service, your operational workflow. You can maximize social media marketing and sales promotions, and of course, your financial management. The moment you start earning profits, you reinvest it back to the business para mas madali itong lumaki. And of course, you have to consider people management kasi you need the help of others, your staff, in order for your business to be successful. Baka meron din kayong suggestions para maging successful ang coffee shop ni Arlao. So feel free to comment your suggestions sa baba.